we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The flip phone is obsolete because it can't do any of this, and more. Flip phones were an idea borrowed from the original series of Star Trek. Folding the phone protected its controls from getting dirty or damaged. After flip phones came out, they got smaller and smaller.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.